As an auto repair shop owner, what kind of new truck should I buy?
A brand new truck. Oh man, this is tough. I'm gonna be honest with you. A lot of the new vehicles have a lot of issues that we see. It's tough. I'm gonna be honest with you. I see issues with Ford, Chevy transmissions. The new Tundra had some engine failure because they went to a V6 twin turbo. There's not a good answer. I've been a diehard Toyota fan my whole life. Not gonna say that they're the best because I haven't had enough interaction, but I know they had some issues with their twin turbo engine. But I'm still gonna stick to Toyota. They've been doing it right for many years, and it's a great vehicle.